Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed. Check. Running a quick check. Crypto.XL. Hi, welcome aboard. This is your captain speaking. Make sure you have on your helmet and your spacesuit. We are attempting liftoff pretty soon. T-minus 10 what? 10 minutes, 10 hours. Anyway, welcome to Crypto.XL. Welcome to the channel. I've been in the market for a while now. Getting gray here. And I woke up today and I was just checking out the market, and I saw Bitcoin, pull down to 90K. And, for people like us, this is actually good news. We want to see retest, right? We don't want it to go straight up, because retest means we can make our bag bigger, and it means that our multiples are going to be higher, right? Because the more healthy the market is, the longer you can predict the market and the greater your opportunity to accumulate. And the more you accumulate, the bigger your bag. Because we're going to be heading up anyway. Now, yeah, I do pay attention to RSI, and I pay attention to the charts. The charts are my primary focus, the 4-year cycle. But the charts are also made up based on the monetary supply. So we're in a period of quantitative easing. That's about to start soon, where the money supply is about to expand and increase. So it's going to be very hard to keep risk assets such as crypto down and keep them at bay. Millionaires are going to be created. So that means these little tiny coins that this random YouTuber is mentioning, a lot of these coins are going to be doing multiple X's. A staggering, shocking amount of multiple X's. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. One of these coins is DexCheck. I don't mind accumulating more DexCheck at these prices, at 3 cents or these small prices, because I've been pretty good at predicting where the prices are going to go, generally, not the exact price. Even though if you want to hold me to exact prices, you can see it's been pretty accurate. But disclaimer, I don't need to be accurate. If I'm in the range, that's fine with me. If I'm in a range, according to the time of the market and where we're supposed to be within that range, That's fine with me. I don't need an exact price. And I don't need to be 100% accurate either. I just want to have, if I'm above 60% with my accuracy, that means that I win and we're doing well, okay? I would say that the percentage has been really, really high, knock on wood, right? It's been really, really high, above 90%. And so we've been doing excellent. So recently you've seen the large caps pump, the large cap dead coins that are multiple billion-dollar assets. You've seen Polkadot of all things pump. You've seen ADA pump. You've seen Mana. Who buys Mana? You've seen that pump. So you've seen these dinosaur coins pump. Shout out to AVAX. I like AVAX. And you're wondering, man, how come, I didn't catch this pump? No one saw this coming. How come my coins didn't pump? Until today, right? And until a little bit yesterday. But not only are our coins pumping, guys, our coins are going to eclipse what these multiple billion-dollar coins are going to do. Remember, to move something that has a $20 billion market cap and to make it go 2x, you need almost another $20 billion. You need billions of dollars to make that thing move. The coins that I specialize in, and the coins that I talk about on this channel are the coins that are in the multiple millions. The biggest ones are in the hundreds of millions. But a lot of the coins that I'm dealing with are like sub 10 million. So look, if I'm right on a few of these picks, what could happen here could be life-changing. That's all I'm going to say. Again, not financial advice. Manage your risk. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and educational purposes. If you need a financial advisor, consult one, right? But the reason why I'm in a good mood is because, guys, I'm already in the future. I'm already there, man. When we were in a bear market and everything was crashing and stuff was going to zero, I was actually like, my God, this is freaking awesome. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, yeah, I had some investments and it wasn't going that well, but I was like, my God, where I saw this stuff going, because they're going to have to quantitative ease anyway. At some point, they have to do it, right? And when you acquire the crypto, is not when everyone has money. You don't buy these things once they've pumped 500% and then you buy them. No. You buy them when Gary Gensler says that ADA, Solana, and Polygon Matic are securities and they start getting delisted from exchanges. That's when you acquire them, okay? And you zip them out, you be quiet, and you just chill out for a year and a half, 2 years. Don't do anything. Just chill. And then now you start reaping the rewards. All right, but fast forward. How does the current market conditions affect us, affect this channel, affect my Patreons, and affect what we're doing? Well, I'm glad you asked that question. You see, it flows from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a multiple trillion-dollar asset now. We have to pay attention to this, right? It's no longer a couple $100 billion. Bitcoin is a multiple trillion-dollar asset. Some of the money from Bitcoin, once Bitcoin starts going sideways, some of it starts flowing into the large caps. That's why you've seen Matic, ADA, Solana, pick one, Mana. That's why you've seen them do 300% in a week, right? Now, just imagine a couple of those hundreds of billions flow over into the mid caps, but more importantly, they flow over into those tiny, teeny, tiny coins that I mentioned, such as DexCheck. These tiny coins that I mentioned, I know it's exciting. These tiny coins that I mentioned on this channel here, once these hundreds of millions starts flowing into these assets. Now, pay attention. You remember how many times I've brought VIA up on this channel? and you've been watching this channel and you've just been watching this thing go down, down, down. And you might have been saying to yourself, why does he keep mentioning VIA? I mean, no one else mentions it. No YouTuber likes it. This thing just keeps going down and it just keeps crashing. Well, guess what, guys? VIA in one day had almost a 60% pump. You want to know the other thing? It's not over, right? And you want to know another thing? We're not even in altcoin season. The way how you win the race in crypto is if you have conviction in a project, meaning that you believe in a project and you believe in their vision and you think the team is good, or the team could at least operate and do the job, and that this project is going to garner attention in the future, then you start accumulating when this thing's getting devastated. Especially, this is important, especially if you're in a bull market. We're in a bull market right now. We were in a bearish cycle in the bull market. Okay. Now, I went on CoinMarketCap just to see some of the positions and see how they're doing. I think we will. I think we'll check this out. I'll check it out. I'll go over to the monitor and we'll take a quick look at this. Yeah. I know you'd rather be looking at the face of a beautiful model, but that'll come. That's going to be at the end of the bull run. Okay. Hold on here. Hold on. Click. All right. Let me pull this up here. So, had you been patient and had you been a Patreon, I'll make sure this is on screen. I don't want to like screw everything up here. Right. Had you been patient? Had you been a Patreon? You would have gotten MER AI at the bottom. Today, in 24 hours, MER AI did 156%. Netmine token, 68%. OXO, 51%. Octavia, which kept on getting dogged, it says now it's currently 43%. In Blender, you can go down and you can check out the list, right? But basically, we were buying these at the lows. So we DCA in at the lows on these. So when you see like this goes up 156%, it's even more for us because we're buying even lower, right? And what I'm trying to say is this represents the power of just DCAing in on the lows. And I want to reiterate, once you have projects that you have conviction in, because you know, if you buy crap, then you buy crap, right? But the projects that I buy are going to do really, really well during the bull market, the 2025 altcoin season. Getting in at the bottom is a difference between getting a 50x and a 10x, right? And you could extrapolate and put whatever multiple on there. Maybe you multiply it by 2 to get the point across. But to get the point across it's very important to DCA in when there is fear and panic in the market, because that's the only way you're going to get it at those very, very low prices, right? And speaking about very, very low prices, my Patreon, so that people can get in, so I can build the community, is at a very, very low discount price. My Patreon is on Black Friday prices. And it's in my opinion that my Patreon is practically free, because if you're able to get in and pay these small amounts and get these multiples, I feel that, you know, of the coins that I pick, right? Let's say out of 10 coins that I pick, 3 of them don't do what we need them to do. One of them rug pulls. Yeah, but you know, there could be some 20x's in there. There could be some 50x's in the 2025 bull market. Not now, right? Leading into the 2025 bull market. And by the way, I'm already there. I'm not thinking about right now. I'm not looking at the chart today, 20% down 5%. I'm not doing that. I'm DCing in to acquire a big position in these coins, because come 2025, we're going to get some candles it's going to be a period of 3 weeks, and you just see a big green candle, and then followed by another green candle, and then another green candle. And if you did not get in down here, you're going to be chasing the green candle. And that's how people lose money in crypto, because they see like, oh, my conviction was right. I should have bought. Let me get in now. And they get in now. Thing already did 300%, and they get in right there. Right. And I try to avoid that and minimize my risk by getting in when everything is bright red and getting in at the bottom. And I'm going to be patient enough to wait for a year. Okay. I'm going to be patient enough to wait for a year. For those in the back that did not hear me, I am going to be patient enough to wait for a year, or we look at the RSI in April to see where the RSI in Bitcoin is in April. I'm going to be patient enough to wait, okay, before I start DCing out. So after I get my 20x, and this is a hypothetical number, I'm not promising a 20x. It's hypothetical, depends on the investment, and it depends on what Bitcoin is doing, and it depends on how much of the capital from Bitcoin flows into our tiny, little micro cap coins. Some of them will 20x. Hell, some of them are going to 100x. Some of them are not going to do jack squat. Maybe some of them will rug pull. So if you take your rent money, if you take your car note and you put it into crypto, I'm sorry, my friend, but that was a bad decision. It's a really, really bad decision, because you're still in a high risk territory. So I want you to put things into perspective. You're looking at putting money into coins that have the possibility of going 50, 100x, right? I want you to think about this. If something can go to 100x, there's probably on the flip side a high chance, maybe a 20% chance, that something bad could happen. Maybe the contract gets hacked. Maybe one of the developers run away with the coins, print more coins, and pulls the liquidity. Anything can happen. So again, I implore you, please manage your risk. I would not put all my coins in one sector. A lot of you that have been in the market, you've paid attention to the meme coins, right? And you've invested in meme coins, and you've seen that these meme coins, a lot of them rug pull. They're not really, it's not what it's cracked up to be. And you go and you see the performance, and certain meme coins are up like hundreds of percent and they're doing great. But what you don't see is that most of these meme coins are going to zero. So if I invested in meme coins, which I do, some of it, I would take my profits from the meme coins and I would put it into something a little bit more stable. And since my risk is very high risk, on the risk curve, as far as crypto investors, I'm on the right side of the scale. Like, I am extremely high risk. So if you come to my channel and you see the cryptos I'm talking about a lot of cryptos that are literally sub $10 million market cap. So these cryptos that are sub $10 million market cap, the lower you go, they have a higher chance of failing, right? Because they have less capital to invest and to put their cryptos on exchanges. That all being said, if I pick the right ones, these are the cryptos that could garner the most returns. They could end up going 50x in 2025. Not talking about right now, my friend. 2025, right? So right now, it feels great to see a 200% or 50% or these kind of percentage on the coins. It feels great. I really do like it. It's good. But I'm here not for a battle. I'm here for the war. I'm trying to win a war. I'm trying to change lifestyles here, right? So that's what I'm looking for. That's my end goal, right? And I have other goals after that, personal goals, right? But for this bull market, by the way, the culmination is coming so soon. You think we have all the time in the world. You think we can just kick up our feet and chill out on the beach and not do our homework here. But I have to let you know that in this kind of market, the environment that we're going into complete mayhem and chaos. So you have to have your head on a swivel. You have to pay attention, because things can literally go completely ballistic to where your portfolio doubles and triples overnight. That's where we're going. We're going into a zone right now where your portfolio, depending on the week that we're in, right? Because we're heading, November is closing out soon. We're heading into December of 2024. We're heading into a time, and then we're going to be in January 2025. We're heading into a time period where your portfolio within a couple of days can triple, and things could get completely out of hand and chaotic and mad. And your ability to remain level-headed is going to be paramount for you to survive this, to come out of this alive. What do I mean by come out of it alive? I mean, come out in profit. Why? Okay. Well, basically, you can see your portfolio triple within a matter of weeks. I said days, but maybe a week or something, it could triple. And then you can have a 50% fall from the triplet of your portfolio, because Bitcoin drops 25%. And just like that, everything changes for you, and you start like, oh my God, I should took profit. Why didn't I take profit? Oh my God, what am I going to do now? And it's going to be nerve-wracking if you're not preparing yourself for it now, okay? But what we've been doing over here on this channel, and shout out to the Patreons, is we've been DCing in at the bottoms, right? So once we see the tripling or these huge amounts in the future, we're going to know just to take a little bit off the top, not because the bull market is over. No, we're doing that for insurance. We're doing that to make sure that it insures our feelings, and it ensures us from not panicking. Why? Because if a portfolio triples and then Bitcoin drops 25% and then the portfolio drops to 50%, we're going to have cash on the side to where we can DCA in at that 50% drop. So we're not going to be panicking over here. We're going to be cool as a mannequin over here, okay? Not panicking. And that's exactly how we're going to play this market. But I want to give you enough respects, props, and shout out to you for paying attention, for being here this long, especially for those who've been with me through this bear market and have been watching the calls. For those who've been stoic and during these falls with these tiny microcap altcoins you've been DCAing in, whether it's my calls or other calls, I think that we're heading into a time period where Bitcoin is going to give us great returns. Now, there's calls for a top. Oh, Bitcoin is topped out. It's going to 99.5. It could not break 100,000. So that means it's topping out, and then we're going to go all the way back down to, I don't know what they're thinking. I've heard maybe back down to 70, right? That sounds reasonable. That could happen. It could go to 70. But quite honestly, guys, who cares? What you need to do is pull yourself back and zoom out. I'm going to ask a few questions, right? Is the world in general about to go into quantitative easing? Meaning, is the world in general, the financial markets of the West and the East, are they about to give the economies more money, a surplus of money? Yes, they are. Bing! Yes, they're about to do that. Is a surplus of money going to push the prices up of goods and services? And what we really do care about, risk assets in particular, are these risk assets going to increase in price once all this money starts flooding in? Yes. Bing! You got that correct too. Okay, so that means short term, whatever happens short term is noise. And the way how you lose money is if you zoom into the market and you look at short term, every tick up and tick down. That's how you get wrecked. That's the only way you can lose money, is by going in, zooming in on the 15-minute chart, leverage trading. That's the only way you can lose money here. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. That and investing in some crazy meme coin that came out yesterday and thinking that, putting like $20,000 into the meme coin that came out yesterday. Those are two ways that you lose money here, right? Third way you lose money here, like I said, you see these big, powerful green candles where the coins I mentioned on this channel have gone up 500%. And then you're like, damn, I should have bought before, and then you buy now. That's the third way, right? So those are the three main ways you can lose money. So just don't do that, okay? The fourth and final way, I'm sure there's a bunch of other ways, but these are the most important ways. The fourth and final way that you can lose money here because it goes along with what I'm saying. The fourth and final way is you get caught up in 2025 and we are up only. Bitcoin will never go back down. Because of the ETFs, Bitcoin will never fall again. We're gonna go up forever. And so that's why you should put everything in crypto and keep it there no matter what. Not knowing your 4-year cycle, that's the fourth way you can lose money. So at some point you do have to take profit because none of this money is yours until you actually sell, right? Okay. I guess there's a fifth way by being careless with your private keys and falling for scams. And so there are multiple ways, but I covered the most important ones. All right. So I just wanted to get that out to you guys. Everything's going great. Everything's going according to plan, right? And it's good. What's happening is good. We did not get the initial pumps from the large caps, right? From Matic, ADA, Mana, and those dead coins, Sandbox, all those dead coins, right? We did not get the pump from that. Doesn't matter. What I want you to focus on is if those dinosaur coins that nobody uses could pump like that, what do you think is going to happen to our coins? The new fresh young blood, what do you think is going to happen to them? These things are $10 million. DexCheck is less than $20 million market cap, right? We've already seen CeDeFi go to 300 something million this cycle, right? And by March, 350 million or something. DexCheck is 20 million. So when Bitcoin, when it was not altcoin season, its competitor went to $350 million. What happens once $1 trillion from Bitcoin flows into our tiny little coins over here? Do you know what's about to happen? This has been Crypto.XL with your market update. I will see you at the top. Peace. Shout out to the Patreons. Check out the Patreon link. You'll get buy alerts. Peace.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with more crypto updates and news. And as predicted, the Ethereum ETF has passed